Today I am making homemade donuts and I want to see if I can get that perfect golden outside and soft fluffy inside. We're using simple ingredients, nothing complicated. Start by activating the yeast in warm milk with sugar, then add butter and the egg. Mix together, then bring in the flour and salt. Make sure you wash the frying part. That's where everything can go right or wrong. I am still learning this myself, so you will see the real process, what works and what doesn't. The way you mix this dough actually changes how soft your donut turns out. If your dough feels too sticky or too dry, this is exactly how to fix it. Add a little more flour when it's sticky or add little liquid when it's dry. Knead the dough until it becomes smooth, soft and stretchy. This step is what builds the fluffy texture. Cover the dough and let it rise until it doubles in size. It makes your donut feel airy and light. Once it's risen, roll it out and cut your donut. They don't have to be perfect. Wait till you see how these look after frying. This is my favorite part. If you're enjoying this so far and want more real cooking like this, hit subscribe. I am getting better every time and taking you with me. Carefully place them in hot oil and fry until golden brown on both sides. This color right here, this is exactly what you're aiming for. Take them out and let them drain. Already looking amazing. I also tried baking some, just to compare the texture. The difference between fried and baked is actually bigger than I expected. Fried is crispy outside and fluffy inside, while baked is softer and lighter. So be honest, which one would you pick, fried or baked? And another thing the fried has more oil and the baked is free from oil. If you want to see me improve and try more recipes, subscribe and stay tuned. Until we meet again, have a great day.